Welcome to another training session. In today's session, we are going to see how we can export tags out of TIA Portal project. To export the tags out of this TIA Portal project, we will expand the PLC folder and expand the PLC tags, and here we have different tag tables. We will select the tag table which we want to export, right click on it or just double click on it to open it and click on this export button. Next, we will browse and give it a path where we want to export this PLC tag sheet. Click on the Save button and click OK, and it will start exporting the tags. Now the tags are exported successfully. We will go to the desktop and open the PLC tag sheet. As you can see that the tags are successfully exported, and we can see the headers. We can see the tag name, tag path, data type, address, comments, and other attributes of this tag. You can see that we have different tags exported, its location, memory addresses, and different HMI options which are assigned to this tag as well. So that's how we can export the tags out of the TIA Portal project.